Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another AI tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create these amazing images. First of all, open your browser. Now search Gemini AI. Now open this site. Now add your prompt here. Prompt is in description. You can also make little changes in prompt according to your image. Now add your image. Now click on Submit. It will take up to a few seconds. And here are the results. You can download these images for free. Now let's make another one image with different style. And here are the results. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.